So today we're going to make vision boards, and vision boards is basically just sticking hopes and dreams. In this case, we're going to get our Mātua to put their hopes and dreams for their grandkids on the boards and see what they come up with. Yeah.
What exactly is a vision board? It is a collection of images that represent the things you want in your life.
You read a vision board before? No, that's okay. So today is just a chill. Listen, you know, it is me por aí foi. Olha lá, fica com a banana, não go for being our people. So today we're going to do vision boards. So vision board is just when you put your hopes and dreams onto a board. You know what I mean? So when you have, you know, wanyo mga onga, wanyo momo onga mo whanau lumanai. We're going to put it all on this board. So we're going to put anything that you want your grandkids. All your hopes and dreams for your grandkids in the future. You visualize that, and then you're going to create that on here. So it be our family instead of mafau yai, ma e mo yai. You only like come with my own mafau for my
reality here.
Exactly.
It's not what I want, it's what they want.
Yeah.
See, because if I push them to do something, their mind is not there.
Yeah.
But if they go to school and they follow their dreams, then they'll be successful wherever they go.
So you want them to learn the language. So they married Samoans?
Yeah.
And do you like that or not?
We like the Samoans.
It's a good combination, right?
And then you can either write a quote or something that you want them to remember, or want them to take with them, you know, and then pass it down to the next generation.
Oh,
That's the hot plate.
Wow, how long are you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, you don't. Oh, what? Unless you want it on the vision.
Right?
Okay. And then you can write a quote in the way next to it if you want. Is there anything else that like your kids and grandkids are into?
Only my kids is always play this one. My kids
Always
always.
play. Oh. Which one did you want?
Yeah, any of those.
Any?
Just two. Yeah. This one here.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Just that one?
If you're going to play us, I'm in the go.
Pia lai America. E ko orua. One in Alaska and one in Washington D.C.
Oh, nice. I go for your lady.
Go for the one in Perth.
Okay. So, successful go far,
We were short of the order of ordering men. There was no voice, just girls. I'll put her here. She's a lawyer, my first daughter.
Lawyer,
Olea ma Washington D.C. Ola third daughter ngai Washington D.C. Lela e whainga jewelry e sell. We spent our years here in New Zealand. Born here, they should do what we didn't. Yeah, there was no opportunity for us.
Correct.
And this one here is my fifth daughter.
Which one?
Why Pasifika, Roma?
O le ringa, le kikinga Boston like Arnold football. And he liked car too. Because the granddad follow him, the racing point, what's his name? And he loves to follow him too. He loves car. And he's got all the cars at home. And some of the things he built himself, put it in, and he spent hours and hours to put together. And then she loved dancing. She still
Oh yeah.
dancing.
Oh.
And then you can cut this.
Oh, the man is
They see what
Put it on.
Yeah.
they say.
Yeah. Saints.
Saints.
All saints. Oh, okay.
They going on Friday down Tauranga for a competition.
Yeah, so if you
Oh,
want-
nice.
so if
And
you want
they've
them to
been
remember
to
how you
America
can have the
twice.
red flags
Yes.
because
For the competition. I ain't close.
Oh, you do?
Pattern and things. It's nice.
Andrew?
If they make it bigger and I can.
Oh, they all play rugby.
So you paint on close? How long? How long does it take you to make one?
They won't take long.
Yeah.
I got all the board and the thing and the paint.
How long have you been doing it for?
So long.
do you reckon they're so soon?
Today's session was good. Vision boarding. None of them have heard or seen vision board before, so it was great for them to experience that. And I think it's so good to see what they internalize every day and see it on the board, and to see what they want their kids, and to hear their thoughts, because some of them they don't want to enforce anything on their kids. They just want them to live their best life and do whatever they want to do. So some emotional vision boarding as well today, because one of our Mātua, one of their grandchild passed away during lockdown as well, and so that for her just brought some good memories of her today, and it put tears on her face, but also a smile on her face, and thinking about the good times that they had. So, activity, or to have conversation with your elders, with your grandparents, sit around, because seeing them today, the joy and just seeing them in their own world, it's so important, because they say some very important stuff that I reckon, their grandkids need to know before they pass on, because we're all not going to be here forever. And now it's time.
How does it make you feel as the CEO? Are you proud of the work?
Well, I'm a grandmother myself. I'm an old person myself. So tell you, when my grandchildren come home and either bother me or keep me happy or serve me a cuppa, I do know what it is. And I'm really happy for everybody, because some of them don't have grandchildren around them. So this is their opportunity. So it is great. I think the interest in the young people, in the welfare and being present around older people, is something they can't have too much of. A lot of young people cannot connect well with parents or disclose their secrets to their parents, but they can do that to their grandparents. So, and the benefit is enormous for the younger generation.